Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Office 365 off of your ClassLink to be able to record your voice when you want to write a story or record a longer answer than just a short reply in Canvas. So the first thing you want to do is open your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and you're going to want to go to your ClassLink so you can access that right from the Lamar homepage. As soon as you open the Lamar website, it should be right up here at the top. Click on ClassLink, and it's going to ask you to log in. Once you log into your ClassLink, you're going to look for the Office 365 link. It's an orange circle or square with this white box inside. Click on Office 365 and it should log you in automatically. You have access to Office 365 through your Lamar website. If there's more than one of you using your device, it may come up and ask you to choose your username like you just saw me do. So once you're here, you're going to click on Word and a new blank document. This will open up just like you're going to type something in Microsoft Word. But a cool new feature that you have is right over here, this Dictate button. When you click the Dictate button, it's going to start recording just like it does in Canvas. You might have to click Allow to allow your computer to use the microphone. See, it's already recording everything that I say. Now, if you want to add punctuation, you may have to say exclamation point or period. If you don't want to do that, you can always go back later and edit your document to add capital letters and punctuation where they need to be, period. But it's that simple. Every now and then the computer may hear you incorrectly and put some strange word in there that's not exactly what you said. You want to try to speak slowly and say your words carefully, but you can always go back and change things and read it back to yourself to make sure it makes sense and sounds right, period. But that's it. When you're done recording, you just hit the red microphone button. But if you want to go back and start again, you just put your cursor where you want to be and click that microphone again. And now we're recording again. It's really simple. It may take a little bit of practice, but it's pretty simple. And when you're done, you can click right here, File, Save As, and name your document. It will automatically save it to your OneDrive, and you can upload those files into Canvas. If you need any help, please reach out to me or to your teacher, and we can help you. Hope this makes things easier for you.